Good morning, guys. Give me just a second. Let me pin this post. Hi, Facebook. Hi, Instagram. Today's live stream is going to be short, sweet, and simple since I will be on live later on today. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, coming to you discussing all things mind, body, skin, and hair. As you know, your skin and your hair is a reflection of what goes on your inside. So once you start cleaning up your inside, it will start reflecting on the outside. And there's no better way than to stop talking about it and actually showing you guys. So I am on day 8 of my Claws drink plus 3. I added one more ingredient this time, so I'll tell you about it. Plus 4. And I am on day 8 and I'm excited. I'm starting to see some changes. I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to have more energy. I'm starting to clean out my system and visually see my system being cleaned out. So I'm really excited about the changes that are happening in my body, and I'm excited for you to see my process from day 1 to day, I don't even know when I want to stop because this is so exciting. So since I started late today and I have just a few minutes, I'm going to do my drink real quick. Today's drink has garlic, ginger, cloves in this water. Garlic, ginger, and cloves. So and I need to get like a clear glass so you guys could see. But if you guys have been following me, you know my water only had garlic and cloves. You know that before my water only had ginger and cloves. So I added garlic because garlic is also very amazing for your system. And I promise you, when I have a little bit more time on live, I will actually show you how I cut these up so you can see it from beginning to end. But for right now, here's my infused water of garlic, ginger, and cloves. Now I'm gonna start putting the ingredients from the Claws drink. Good morning, thank you guys for joining. If you're just joining now, catch the replay, and I'm only gonna be on for just a few minutes. I won't be on too long today because we have a live stream tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, talking about the drinks and the effects on the body. So we have C for cayenne pepper. Do not use if you have high blood pressure. L for lemon. Use half a lemon. And guys, you could use this drink room temperature or warm. Do not do it cold. One thing I learned for sure from traditional Chinese medicine, your body takes extra energy to cool your drinks from cold to the temperature of your body. So that's why I tell you don't drink cold drinks. If you notice that Asian people, Asian people, when you go to the Chinese restaurants, they're always offering you tea to drink, and when you finish eating your food, and you may never understand why, it's because warm drinks cleanse your system better. It helps your digestive system to digest the food that you just ate. So people that like to eat with drink with a whole, I need these dogs to stop. Dumar, tell them to stop. Sure. People that like to have a whole lot of ice in their drinks, kind of slow down on that and try to do room temperature and warm. It's funny, all my life I've always had room temperature drink. I rarely have anything with ice in it or a drink from the fridge. So that is why it helps your digestive system better. So I put the lemon, my apple cider vinegar. I have to put it in a shot glass. So I have to put it on the side. Remember, I am sensitive to apple cider vinegar being in the drink. So I'm putting it on the side as a shot. And if you're sensitive to apple cider vinegar, have it on the side. Let me just go ahead and get it out the way now. It goes straight down my neck It bypassed the side. So A for apple cider vinegar. W for water. I already have my water in here. S for sweetener. 1 tablespoon. And E for extra virgin olive oil, also 1 tablespoon. And you stir that up. Oh, I forgot my turmeric. And what I've done, I just leave all my ingredients out here in front of me, and every day I just come in and boom, 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 I knock everything out. If you start putting everything away and having to take it out every morning, it's just way too much work. So I'm adding my turmeric. And once it cools down, I will be drinking my morning cleanse. So again, guys, please join me 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, which is April 23rd. Dorielle and I will be on Facebook and Instagram. One of the channels, which will probably be Instagram, you'll see both of us. And then Facebook, you'll just see me, but you'll be able to hear her. So definitely, hey, stop. Definitely join us live. And later on, I'll be having my papaya smoothie that my son made for me. That's gonna help with parasites. And if you guys notice, there's a lot of seeds in there. And it's the seeds that really cleanses your system. So this is straight papaya. What else did you put in here, babe? Tamar.
Banana.
Papaya, banana, peanut butter. Did you put protein in here? Cinnamon. Did you put protein? Did you put protein? Okay, and cinnamon. So this is it, guys. Sorry that I'm doing this a little quick today, but I'm running a tad bit late and I did not want to miss to do my live stream. So I will see you guys later. If you're watching on the live stream and you have any questions, Instagram, send me a DM. Facebook, send me an inbox. Facebook, I'll have the link to all my information. Instagram, you can always go to the link in my bio and subscribe to my Detox email list so you can get, if these dogs don't stop today.
Yo, be quiet!
If you want to get every day's video, I will be sending it via email once I upload them, and my goal is to start sending them out this week. So thank you guys for joining. Again, my name is Donata Joseph with Donata Skin Food. Don't forget to feed your skin. Have a great day. Bye.